So problem set 8.2, first example, quadrilateral or rectangle ABCD. So draw its rough work. You know, in the rectangle, the angle is of 90 degrees. Each angle is of 90 degrees. Right angle it is. So draw that rough work and put the values what given in the example. So draw AB with the help of scale 6 centimeters, and on the angle A is of 90 degrees with the help of protractor 90 degrees, with the help of protractor on the B also 90 degrees, and then take the distance of 4.5 in the compass. Put on B, draw the arc 4.5 centimeters. That point will be C. Second property of the rectangle or the rhombus, opposite sides are congruent. So same the distance 4.5, putting the iron lead on A and draw the arc. That point will be D. Join DC, and that required quadrilateral is quadrilateral ABCD. Now second one is about the square. Square. Second example, simple example is square. In square, all the sides are congruent and each angle is of 90 degrees. So in square, second one, what that square is WXYZ. So rough work, WXYZ, and the side is 5.2. Each side of the square congruent. So here WX 5.2 centimeters with the help of protractor 90 degrees, with the help of protractor 90 degrees, and square it is. So all the sides are congruent. Take the distance of 5.2 in the compass, putting the iron lead on W, 5.2 arc, putting the iron lead on X, 5.2, right, 5.2 centimeters. This is W, X, Y and Z. So join this. So required square is quadrilateral W, X, Y, Z. So in this way, rectangle, square, both we can draw as we have seen here. Now, third one is the rhombus. But the thing is, in the rhombus, all the sides are congruent. In rhombus, all the sides are congruent. We have seen all these properties. So rhombus, all the sides are congruent. Rhombus. But that rhombus is KLMN. KLMN. K is 75 and side is 4 centimeters. Now see here, K is drawn 4 centimeter. With the help of protractor, the angle is of 75. So 0, 180, 0, 180. K is of 75. So 0 of L is where? 0 of L is in the inside. So from this 0, measure the angle 75. This one is 75. Zero is inside. Now Kn is 4. With the help of compass, take the distance for point N, 4 centimeters. With the help of compass, putting on N the iron lead 4 centimeter, putting on L the iron lead 4 centimeter. Join this. This is KL and N. So 4 centimeter, 4 centimeters. All the sides are congruent in focus. So required rhombus is quadrilateral KL and N. So these 3 examples we have to attempt at home. And we will see